Zero sales on Amazon KDP? I've been there. In February, I made $4,670 with books I'd already published. But I knew something was off. I thought my coloring books needed better artwork. I was wrong. Instead of making another book, I changed 3 tiny things across my listings. I didn't add a single page, I didn't run ads, I didn't redesign any interiors. March, $6,088, an extra $1,400 from the same books. One day that month, I made $929 by itself. 3 fixes, 2 minutes each. These are the exact 3 changes I'm going to show you. And if your KDP coloring books aren't selling, these are the first things I'd fix before creating another one. Because here's what most KDP creators get completely wrong. They think the problem is the artwork, the illustrations, the page count, the quality. It's not. I didn't change a single page inside my coloring books. Not one. What I changed had nothing to do with making a better book. It had everything to do with making it easier for Amazon to find my book and easier for buyers to choose it. And once I understood that, everything changed. When your book makes 0 sales, 3 things are happening, and you probably don't even know it. 1. Nobody can find your book. Not because the market is saturated, because your keywords are invisible to Amazon's search engine. 2. The people who do find your book leave without buying. Your description isn't convincing them. 3. They never even click on your book in the first place. Your cover blends in with 10,000 other coloring books. 3 problems. 3 fixes. Let me show you each one. Exactly what I changed. And here's the wild part. Before these fixes, my book was making money. $4,000 a month. Most people would leave it alone, but I knew I was leaving money on the table. And when that $900 day hit, I had to know what happened. So I reverse engineered my own listing. And what I found will change how you publish every book from now on. Fix number 1. And this is where 90% of people lose before they even start. Keywords. Most people type in stuff like coloring book, adult coloring book, mandala coloring book, generic, competing against 50,000 other books. Here's what I did instead. I asked Claude to find me the exact search phrases real buyers are typing into Amazon, not what I think they're typing. And it came back with phrases I never would have thought of. Not mindfulness coloring book, too broad. Try this. Anxiety relief coloring book for adults with thick paper. Or large print easy coloring book for seniors with dementia. Specific buyers, specific problems, almost no competition. I replaced 7 boring keywords with 7 long-tail phrases Claude found. That alone? My book started showing up on page 1 for searches I didn't even know existed. And here's the thing, you don't need Claude to do this. You can use the free version, or honestly, just think about what a real person would type when they're looking for a specific kind of book, not a generic one. But keywords only get them to your page. What happens when they get there? That's fix number 2, and it's the one almost nobody talks about. Most KDP descriptions look like this. 20 pages, 8.5 by 11. Great for stress relief. Boring. 0 emotion. 0 reason to buy. Here's what Claude rewrote mine to say. Imagine coming home after a 10-hour shift, your mind still racing. You open this book, pick up a pencil, and 20 minutes later, your shoulders finally drop. Emotion first, benefit first. Then the details. But that's not even the best part. Claude also showed me how to structure the description so Amazon's algorithm ranks it higher. You will find all prompts used in the description below. 7 keywords naturally woven into the description copy. Not stuffed, not spammy. Just written like a human would write. And underneath the emotional hook, a bullet section called What's Inside, but instead of pages and dimensions, it listed feelings. Calm, focus, relief, accomplishment. My conversion rate nearly quadrupled from that one fix. Same book, same cover, same everything else. Just a description that actually sells. So now people can find your book, and when they find it, they want it. But there's still one problem. If they never click on it in the first place, none of that matters. This is the Amazon coloring book search results. Look at this. Everything looks the same. Soft colors, pretty mandalas, all blending together. Now look at this one. That's the one getting the clicks. Here's what I changed about my cover, and it took 3 minutes. Number 1, dark background instead of white. On Amazon's white pages, a dark cover stands out immediately. Number 2, one bold color that pops. I used orange, nothing else on the page looks like it. Number 3, I moved the title to the top third of the cover. Because on mobile, which is where most people browse, the bottom half gets cut off in thumbnail view. 3 minutes. 3 changes. And suddenly my book was the one people actually saw. 3 fixes, 4 minutes each. Keywords that real buyers search for, descriptions that make them want the book, a cover they can actually see. The result? February, 4,600. March, 6,088. And that one day in March, $929 from a coloring book. If you're sitting at 0 sales right now, I know exactly how that feels. But the problem isn't your book. It's almost never your book. It's your keywords, your description, your cover. Fix those 3 things first, then worry about making better books. Now, if you don't even have a coloring book yet, if you're starting from scratch, I made a full video showing the exact 5 Claude AI prompts that built my entire book from nothing to published. No design skills, no paid software, all free tools. That video is right here. Go watch it. Build your first book using those 5 prompts, then come back here and apply these 3 fixes before you publish. That order will save you months of guessing. Drop a comment below. Which of the 3 fixes do you think is hurting your sales the most? Keywords, description, or cover? I'll personally reply. Subscribe if you want more KDP breakdowns like this. See you in the next one.